When you're looking for a tree service in Smyrna, it might be hard to pin down the right one, but don't compromise. You're going to want men that can climb up in the tree and cut it into small sections. If you got some trimming way out on the limb, we've got some monkeys for that too. In the backyard, sometimes it's too small for equipment. You want the experience to make that tree lay down right where it needs to. Sometimes it's a bit more complicated, and we can cut the tree down in blocks and control them safely with rope so that nothing gets damaged. We've got the equipment, the experience, and we're fully insured. We'd be happy to give you a free estimate. So give us a call today at 615-239-5293.